Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Lexus RX450h on a 72 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of it first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As you can also see, we have plenty of boot space, which is extendable by folding down those rear seats should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, firstly, you can see the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition the whole way around, as is the bodywork on the car as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, first of all, we have the coolant temperature gauge. Then working our way right, the hybrid battery level, so it will show you how much of the power you are using as you are driving. You can also tell when the car is running because it will say ready just there. We are in kind of petrol mode at the moment, so you can probably hear the engine in the background. If it switches to EV whilst we're doing the video, which it has just done, you can see it now says EV here instead. Over on the right hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the center, you can see the total miles of this car. They are 28,912. You can change information that's displayed above that using the buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel just here. We've got lane departure warning system over here as well. We've got our stereo and phone controls, the minus and plus paddle so you can change up and down again manually with this automatic gearbox. And into the center, the main screen for the car. So as you can see, really nice wide color display. We have our satellite navigation on there, of course. It is touchscreen, but you don't have to use the touchscreen. So you can navigate your way around the screen as I'm doing now, using what is essentially like a trackpad on a laptop. You can hear the noise of me moving. You also get a haptic feedback from this pad as well. You can push the pad down, move it left, right, up, down, so you can essentially navigate your way fully around the screen using this. So for example, you can go to your destination on your sat nav. We've got our audio, AM, FM, DAB radio, Bluetooth audio. We can pair our phone, of course. You can connect up, if I push the button down, certain Lexus friendly apps to the car. We can come back a page and you can see the pointer just there that I'm moving around as well. On top of all of that, this car has got a full color parking camera, which you can see just there. It includes guidelines that show you what direction the car is headed in relation to the image shown on the screen. Working our way down, we have the volume for the stereo, our CD player, a few physical controls for your stereo as well, and then dual zone climate control. So we can adjust the driver and the passenger temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. All adjustments will show temporarily on the main screen as you make them. We can turn our air conditioning on and off. We can put the whole system into auto as well. So if I hit auto, the car will now take full control of everything to maintain the temperatures that I've asked for, which you can hear it doing in the background. Any manual adjustment will override that immediately and let you control the settings yourself. We have our 12-volt charging socket, USB inputs, and then these seats. So we've got air-conditioned seats, both driver and passenger, heated seats, both driver and passenger as well. We've got an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, the buttons I went through just a moment ago, and then controls for your off-road settings. We can force the vehicle into EV mode if there's enough charge, and you can turn your traction control off from here as well. The last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof. There is a button up here that will open that sunblind, as you can see, all the way to the back of the rear seats. You can leave it like this and it will let in a huge amount of extra light to the cabin area, but if you wish to, this front section also opens fully as a sliding and tilting sunroof. The last thing I wanted to touch on briefly is the paperwork we have for the car. So firstly, in this envelope is the spare key, so 2 keys in total. The V5 registration document showing it's a 2-owner car from new, and then the service book with services in 2023 and 2024 as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Similarly, we'd be more than happy to do a live video call to show you around the car as well.